freestyles, like, you gotta turn it up a little bit. Wait, I'm just gonna disconnect it from there. Disconnect it. What? Why am I doing? No more, I don't wanna deal with this no more. So many just got me pulling so hard. Feeling like I'm giving up, I don't know what to do. Looking for a better life, but that's the issue. I ain't feeling so nice unless I run a drugs and in the gym. Feeling like that is something for me to actually do. Yo, hold on, wait. So down. Baby, you know that this is a throwdown. Go out, baby, I'ma get it. It's the road now. Go house, baby, I'ma show 'em all. Down that lone route. When no one be telling you nothing on how the fuck you gonna live about. That's the life I'm living now. Get it, smoke my loud. Picking on the Percocet, so I'ma sniff about. My friends are telling me I'm gonna die and listen, wow. Listen if you wanted this, but I ain't listening. On it, this a different parents, and I get a glimpse. Cause you know I'm litty with this shit. I get that money, flip it rich, and just because I push this bit, these people be all on my dick. Gone, ready now, I know that I'll be on it #1. But Jesus, here I come, I'm ready, and I never will be dumb. I got it, this is some, I get it now, I get it up. Get it up. Yeah, but we actually like type feel it a little bit.